Just just hold still. I'm just doing
What do we need to get from the grocery store?
we need to get treats.
Oh yeah?
Treats from the grocery store.
Oh, okay. What else do we need to get?
Goldfish, and we have to get more goldfish.
And what else?
And more bread.
Yeah.
And more applesauce.
Yep, probably. Yep.
And we have to get a candle.
We have to get a candle?
Yeah, we have to get a candle from. We need a night light to help us light this room, so it can fill the house.
Okay.
Oh, it has to be like that. This correction is the Cavaliers put correction of all, so correct.
Is that a Taco Casa receipt?
Oh, is this my corrections?
Oh, it's your corrections. Okay.
So we have to look at the corrections this way. See, there's the top of the pizza house, and there's the bricks. These are the bricks, and these are the ice cream bricks. And we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Oh, good job.
So we have to do, if you get all of the bricks, you'll make a candle yet.
Okay.
So we have to get ice cream bricks in the top of the ice cream house, and that's the top
So
of.
messy.
You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You got chocolate on your face?
No,
Yeah, you have chocolate on your face.
I didn't.
Mm-hmm.
It's clean.
Okay.
I drink some water from the sink, from my sink.
Okay.
So you have to pick up all of the bricks over here. When it falls, I will go down the waterfall. But you have to be careful, don't slip on the waterfall. So you have to walk back up the waterfall so we can get it back on the boat.
Oh.
We have to get it back on the boat for it. We have to fly over the boat so we don't hurt yourself.
Oh, okay. We'll have to be careful.
Oh, what's that?
That's my freckle.
Oh, I'll just kiss your belly right there.
Thank you.
So the correction says this is bricks and this is the X part of. We have to go over the bridge and be careful. Don't slip on the bridge, don't slip on the boat, don't slip on the waterfall, and don't climb on the pizza house. Don't slip. If you do this, that will not make you fall.
Okay.
So you have to walk on this. To go down. We have to go down the waterfall so we don't slip. If you go down the waterfall, That'll make you feel better.
Really?
But you have to be careful. If you go down a bridge, that will not make you fall. So, watch out for the waterfall first. So, the rain clouds are gone. Where are no rain clouds?
They're all over the sky. It's great outside today.
Oh, they come back. Oh, it's foggy.
A little bit.
That's foggy outside. The rain clouds are making foggy over the sky. How can we blow that foggy away? We need cars to flap it away. Oh, sorry.
I don't know.
This correction is this. It has to be correct like this. So this correction has to be in this order.
Do you like playing with the mail?
It's from the mailbox. So this is my prize, and this is your prize. You get this one.
Thank you.
Your directions are this one and this one. So, I didn't hear the music anymore. That guy stopped the music out of that tree. How can we get out of that tree?
I don't know.
We can pull the tree out of the music.
You can pull the tree out of the music.
So we can hear it again. The music was coming from Apricissa. But I don't hear it anymore. I hear it. Just a little bit.
Can you hear it?
Yeah. Just a little bit. I have to hear it. Oh. It's coming from that house. It's coming from that house over there.
What kind of music is it?
It's called a tree house. A tree made music.
Oh. Tree music. Okay.
Tree house music. Don't just climb on a waterfall. Don't climb on a pizza house waterfall.
Don't climb on the Pizza House waterfall. All right. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.